Hey guys, it's the weekend. The week is over, and what an eventful week it was. We saw a lot of stuff, and it obviously affected the market in a certain type of way. We're going to be talking about that, and we're of course going to be reflecting on the price of AMC in the past week. If it is something that you may enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, I know that we haven't been publishing videos as much as previously, but we are going to continue to publish videos. Again, it may be a little bit reduced because, as I've said before, for me, this is a hobby. I'm trying to get that fair balance because on the one hand, I don't want to publish too much content because, of course, is a lot of work to do, and believe it or not, for lower YouTubers like myself, it doesn't really pay that well, so I'm not really in it for the money. But of course, I do want to actually get the message out there as much as I can. So it really is a balancing act. Again, I will continue to publish at what interval, who knows, but hopefully going forwards we will continue to make a lot of great content regarding the whole AMC issue. But yeah, we are still alive in the whole AMC community and things are continuing. Now, as usual guys, this is not going to be financial advice, but I am going to give you my personal reflections on what we have seen. We're coming out to the technical chart now, and we'll have a look at that first, then we'll have a look at the Ortex data. So really the first thing that I want to look at is the 5-day. The 5-day was an eventful period both on the whole market, but obviously on AMC. Now we had the whole Ukraine/Russia event, and personally for me, I did actually predict this would be a terrible thing for the market. Now I was wrong, and actually the markets have done amazingly well in the 2 days that we have seen trading regarding the issue. So really great to see the markets actually come back a bit. Again, not really enough when we look at the wide scale to consider this one a reversal in my opinion, but the 1 week on the S&P, on the Dow, on the Nasdaq, and even on the Russell, it's not looking too bad now. So who knows, maybe the markets are coming back. Bit of a strange time, but who knows. Now relating this to AMC, we've seen some very good days with this one being up 5-10% on the day. So to see a drop of about 0.11 on Friday wasn't too bad at all. Again, we saw our high in the week, which was fairly okay. We did actually manage to hit 20 at a point very recently, and coming into Friday, we even had some decent price action. So I'm glad that we did finish where we did. Again, I'm not looking at the price too much, we're just talking about what it ultimately means. And the question is AMC still alive? I think it is. Again, we did see that high of 20 recently. We've came down a little bit since, but yeah, we did come back up strongly, which is very nice, and we're seeing this one end the week in a moderately okay position, if you ask me. Now let's come out here to this. Now this is of course the short interest update for the closing bell yesterday. There are two pictures posted. It's posted by the user JD Ruckus, who you will probably know very well. Apparently we cannot highlight their picture properly, but we can have a read of it. So JD Ruckus posts this: Ortex guy here with your update, of course, for Friday. Short interest was closing above 21%. It's all self-reported, and the only reason hedges report any SI to validate their profits to prospective clients. If they report the all-time highs now, imagine the true damage. Current mood, I wonder how often an ape is drinking beside me. So have a look at the data here, and we'll read it and understand it. So again, this is a main page of most important stuff, and we'll quickly scan across that. So the change in the short interest is plus 0.95. Again, not too big of a change, but it is going up, and that is fantastic, giving us an overall estimated SI of the free float as a percentage of 21.44, which is fairly okay. When we look over here to the estimated short interest overall, we're seeing 110 million shares, which is also fairly good. The return shares that we're seeing were 831.6k. The borrowed shares being just under 2 million, leaving us with a borrowed change of 1.12 million, so not too bad. The minimum price for the cost to borrow at 0.51, the maximum at 2.32, giving us an average figure in the middle of 1.46. So we get a picture of what's going on in the market. The data hasn't changed significantly, still looking great, and that's a good thing to see. I'm very happy with it, and I think that we're in a good place. So going forwards into next week, what are we expecting? Can we anticipate those massive price rises? Well, I'm not really expecting them next week. Again, if we can break above 20, that's ideal. But really, the day-to-day price movement inevitably does not really matter, if you ask me. So what I'm really looking for here is I'm looking for that movement in the long term, and of course whatever happens this week going forwards into the next week, it doesn't really matter, if you ask me. It's a case of, oh well, we're just waiting for the MOAS and we know it's likely to come, so day to day doesn't really affect us anymore. Every single dip just helps to make apes stronger and put us in that position of great power. So again, we are going to continue to make this content because I do enjoy the whole AMC situation as it continues to unfold. We are still holding strong from the data, and I think, again, every single dip does make us stronger, every single event proves us powerful, and it puts us in that much better position as we go on. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.